You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
It's your birthday, can I get a repop? It's your birthday, go shawty. It's your birthday, can I get a lollipop? It's your birthday. Hey, everybody wanna see me fly high? We can in the blue. Sis on the floor, camera roll when you see me on the floor. Bam bam, bam bam, go shawty. It's your birthday, can I get a lollipop? It's your birthday. Go shawty. Sparkle. Go. Wow, sparkle clean, man. Everywhere stew. Everything nice. Benzo. Original. Do shawty. It's your birthday. Gonna have a lollipop. It's your birthday. So bling. Benzo. Ma.
Kedu?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Do.
Why I greet you?
What's your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Are you mad? Or are you here now to insult me? Now listen, if you're here for greetings, please use that gate. If you're here to fight, I am not ready for you. So, fool yourself and leave this place through that gate. Leave this place through that gate this minute. I don't want to talk to you. I don't have any business with you.
Slim, calm down. Calm down, oh? That is why we are here. So just calm down, please.
Okay, fine. Mama, with all due respect, I respected the fact you came here with your son. Because I know you're the one that brought him here for settlement, right? Fine, I respect that. But the only reason I will listen to your son here, Obinna, this your useless son, please, Mama, tell him to leave Nkiruka alone, my wife.
You lie. Slim, you lie big time, I swear.
You hear him?
Oh, do you think I'm here to pet you? Do you think I am here to pet more about Binna to pet you? Or do you even think because I greeted you, you think I'm here to look at your face? Bro, I don't see your face. Did you hear me?
Mama, do you hear him? Do you hear him? This is your proud son. This is your arrogant son. Slim. Are you saying this is your proud son? You what? I know you don't want to ask him to come here now. He has come here now instead of you to apologize and leave my woman alone and say, brother, please take over because I have money. He's here showing his attitude. If I change it for you,
Slim, don't you have respect for elders?
Mama, thank God you're here. Mama, thank God you are here. Come and hear what they are saying. Mama, thank God you are here at least to have a witness. Mama, please, talk to this idiot here. Talk to this low life. Talk to this poor boy. In fact, Mama, ask them for me. How much do they want? Let me give them so they can live in Nkiruka for me.
Don't worry.
Ask them.
How for you? Obinna, what should I call you? Will I call you Enyimerenya? How could you? How could you take away the wife to be of your own brother?
Mama, calm down, okay? I am not here to shout. Me, Obinna, I'm not here to shout. But my last warning is, I don't want anybody to make me angry. Nobody should annoy me, Mwa.
After you took away your own brother's wife to be, you have the God to say that nobody should make.
Hey, Monica! Keep quiet. Shut up, yes. Enano, keep quiet. My son did not take your son's wife to be. Do you understand me?
Mama,
they met. I've warned you several times.
Oh my goodness.
I've warned you several times. So keep quiet. My son did not take your son's wife to be. They met in the city and they fell in love. Simple. I thought we came here to settle this issue. I never knew you would not even want us to settle it. Obinna, let us go. You see that girl? Whether they like it or not, you will marry her.
Okoya? Hey, I want to bet it. Do you want to bet it?
And as for you, Slim, as for you, Slim, it's a war. You want to war, Slim. If you didn't go, if you say you get money, you can see war.
I have money.
Wait for me, you can see war. You can see war. One day, you can see war.
We are going to your house.
Mama, wait, let me tell you.
We get married to that girl. You will not marry her. We will kill ourselves according to what she just said.
Do you know what's about poverty?
You marry her, married to her. Just finish with what you're doing.
But Asin, don't
we
worry.
are going to their house. You will get married to her.
Let me disgrace you.
Let me tell you. In fact, since they want war or they want us to kill ourselves, we will kill ourselves.
Let me disgrace them with money.
Don't worry yourself. You marry Tinkiru. Don't worry. You marry her.
Poverty mentality is that they don't even know where to start from.
But Asin, don't worry.
You came to my compound.
Hey, where did this guy keep this small pot now? Where is she?
Mama.
Mama. Where have you been now? I thought you've left only for me to come out here and see your kids.
You don't go understand. You don't go understand. But small time now, you will soon understand.
How do you mean? By the way, where is that small pot? I want to use it now and warm the remaining up of yesterday.
Mama, you see this village? This village, we go know who be who. We go know who be who for this village.
Can't see, where is the pot?
Mama, forget about that pot now. Forget about that pot. Make I go sell my goods, come back. You get wetin I wan tell you, something wey be say you supposed to know wey you no know. But when I come back, I go discuss am with you.
I'm gonna.
Mama, dey go.
This life will not be able to be that's all life will be. This one no be able to be Onyema
now.
Call him.
Hey, we're not big boys. Hello, sir. Yes, we have the pots now. As I speak to you now, sir, we're with the pots. Yes. Yes. Sir, but I told you this boy would deliver. I was very certain. Yes, sir. Sir, are you coming now? Okay. We're waiting.
Yes.
Let's just.
What make things so?
What's this? This is not the pot now.
You mean this is not the pot?
The pot is a clay pot.
Why did Ekene bring this thing now? So you mean this is not the pot? This is not the pot. Call Ekene, which kind of nonsense with this?
After calling this man.
How are 10 million? See, call Ekene, he has to be here.
That's all life will be. This one no be
This is how you market your Okpa. I've been down there watching you. I see how you are doing. Sweet over here. This is what it's called.
What's happening here?
The important thing now is how you can get sweet Okpa. Eh? Look at this one.
Hey! Hey! Alu! My place was selling Okpa! Hey! 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 Okpa!
My Okpa! My Okpa! Hey, hey! Come and get some hot Okpa here!
Listen, guys. I am not going to take this joke because it is too expensive. What do you take me for? Do you know the pressure I am going through right now? Do you know it?
Bros, please calm down.
Please what?
Calm down. Please. Everything that is happening now is not our making. We didn't even know it will happen like this.
Oh, so it's my making then?
Please, calm down. Let Ekene come. We have asked him to come.
Let Ekene come right now. Because as it is now, I am going to kill anybody that stands between me and this deal. I asked you guys and you told me in confidence that you were going to deliver. Listen, I will not take anything less. I will not.
Yes, sir. I'm even confused. I'm surprised myself. Eh? Ekene, what did you do?
Ekene, why?
Go Gigine.
I don't understand what's happening. Hafa.
Ekene, why? Ekene, why now? What is the meaning of all this?
What do you mean, why?
Is this what we bargain? What is this? What is the meaning of
What
this?
did I do? See, I don't have time. I want to go and buy something.
What is it that you brought? What's this? What's this? You went to bring your grandmother's pot. This is your grandmother's pot.
See, guy, please, you people should be fast. Take this. You people should be fast. I don't have time. What is this now?
If I slap you, if I slap you. You want to bring your grandmother's pot? That's what are you doing?
Listen, my bro. I don't know you from Adam, but I was reliably informed that you promised these guys that you were going to deliver the pot.
Yes.
Did you do that?
Exactly. I did that once.
So where is the pot?
What's the meaning of this? Do you know that by 9 p.m. I came to this place to drop the pot? The real pot. The palace is my own. I own palace. I know everywhere. I succeeded. What are you?
Say, you mean this is not the pot you drop here?
Am I crazy? Not drop a pot. I just see me.
This is the pot they can drop. This is the pot you drop, bro.
This is the pot you drop. I put the pot of life. I brought it here. So what are you saying now?
Okay, so what then happened?
Okay, can you imagine? I don't know.
Udoka and Nnamdi. Listen to me. Let me tell you. What I hate most in my life is somebody trying to double cross me or dupe me. I will be mad with all of you. I am serious.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Listen to me. Let him talk.
Listen to me. Listen to me. And you shut up too. You both of you cannot double cross me. Who are double cross? What is this thing? Yeah, please, we will go and give me my own money. Then my own share. Turn on my own share. Which share? Look at it.
Where is Osema? Anyway, let him come.
I've sent for him. He's on his way.
He is not in his room.
What? Where could we have gone this morning?
Ndoka, you are welcome. This one, your face is like this. I hope there is no problem.
Igwe, there is problem. Big problem, Igwe. What is it? What I saw today with my 2 eyes, it has humiliated the kingdom. name of this girl, that witch?
Is it Cassie?
Cassie. She has turned our priest to a trader.
What?
A petty trader, they now sell okpa. You won't believe. Our priest came to me selling okpa that I should buy okpa.
What's the meaning of that? Your Highness.
Igwe. In fact, they were asking me to come and buy okpa. Igwe, something has to be done. You have to do something.
No, please, Mazi, could you take me to where he is so that I can bring my son back?
Yes, Igwe. I saw it with my eyes. If you don't believe me, let us go. Let me go and show you.
Woman, you heard him. That girl want to turn your son to a nuisance.
Just pardon him. I'll bring him back, please.
Guards. Guards.
Both of you cannot deceive me. You must give me my own share. You must give me my own share. If not, when I'm way back there.
I don't even know what you're saying. You will not like what you will not like what you see.
Another nonsense.
Eh? Ogaritmon, tell him to leave me. I'll take off your teeth.
Oh, shut up and listen to me. I think this young man is right. How do I trust both of you that you weren't the one that took that pot?
Exactly. How do I trust you?
Ogarit. Where do we sell it?
We did not do that. See, if we had done that, there's no need of calling him. We would have just sell the pot to you. Straight, and even pretend to him as though we didn't see it.
But you actually called me to tell me that you were with the pot. Why did you do that?
That was before we looked into the pot to see that it's not the original pot. To see that this idiot brought his grandmother's pot.
I think yes, he knew what he did. He knew what he did.
It's a lie. It's a lie. I don't trust any of you. You must give me my...
Nonsense.
You want to try me?
What have I done?
Look at
what did you do? Hey, don't look at it. Hey, please help me.
You have killed him.
You have killed this man.
Look at what did you do?
This boy cannot talk about what did you do?
And you hit him the pot. You've killed somebody.
Put down now. Let's go.
Did I tell you to hit him the pot? You should have separated the both of us.
No, both of you have killed this man. Listen to me. I am out of here. Don't ever call my line. Don't ever call my line unless you have the pot. Nonsense.
Somebody's dying.
Please.
You are mad.
You are going after my
Put down, let's carry him.
Ogarit, come now. Somebody's dying here. You're going. You shouldn't have eaten the pot now. You shouldn't have. Give it to the choir pot. You kill somebody now.
Let's know what to do now.
Look at what you cost now. Ogarit. Hey! You don't want to say it. We don't want to say it. Don't want to say it. Sit here.
You all must calm down. This family has been in peace since my brother died. We've never recorded any incident of fighting. Why now? Why are we going to allow a woman who is yet to be married to this family to divide us? What will happen when she finally becomes a member of this family? Can somebody tell me?
Ichi, I'm very sorry to say this, but I have to say it. These days, I look at you like this. Yes. Tell those who are wrong that they are wrong. Yes. Tell them that what they are doing is wrong. My son did not take wife from Slim. Mba. They met in the city and they fell in love. Yes. How would he have known that Slim here has been talking with the woman on Facebook? And I put wine from Facebook.
Mama, see me. Mama, see me. This idiot even told them he gave me some money. Slim. You will see war.
War what? Yeah.
Ichi.
Hi. Son.
I greet you, sir.
I greet you too.
Mama, I also greet you.
Even if you don't greet me, it doesn't bother me. Just go ahead, let me hear you.
Okay. 9, there's something I want to state here and right now. Ever since I came here, I've been silent, I've been listening to your conversation, and I know I want peace. That's why I've been quiet, unlike me. But I want to make it clear to this idiot here. This idiot called Obinna. Obinna, if you don't leave my wife in Kiruka, I will deal with you.
Exactly.
Hope you know that I have money more than you. I have money, real cash, Malaysia ringgit more than you. Hope you're aware of that. Huh? Hope you are aware of that.
Slim, you will do nothing. There is nothing you will do. You have money.
I have
Slim, did you tell them that I gave you some money before you travel? Did you tell them? You are an ingrate. Slim, you are an ingrate. Have you forgotten it was my money you used for your flight ticket?
9. Ichie, did you hear that? I will fight, oh.
Calm down.
You know I like fighting.
Mama,
I will fight. I will beat somebody here and now.
People should stop
Yeah,
this.
Obinna or Obaino or whatever they call you. You still have the guts to talk. You have the mouth to talk after the nonsense that you have done. Imagine.
Mama, this made you go. Mama, my head is. Let's leave this house. Ichie, I'm leaving your house. Mama, let's go.
Leave.
See.
After all I did for you, Slim. After all I did for you, just because of Nkiru, you want to kill me. Mama, because of Nkiru. Mama, let's go. This house.
Hey, I called this meeting to resolve this matter. So where are you hurrying to? Don't you have some respect for me?
The only way to resolve this issue, this very issue I'm seeing now, is to tell this ingrate to leave Nkiru for me. Else, I will kill him. You can never do anything, you idiot. If you provoke me now, we will start by showing our money. Mama, where's my Malaysia ringgit? Mama, bring my Malaysia ringgit. What is all this? I didn't go with my Malaysia ringgit. I would have disgraced you here.
Tell them.
Are you mad?
Tell them. Tell them because
let us go.
Bring my Malaysia ringgit. Let's leave this place now.
I can see you. I'm leaving your house. I am leaving. Stay.
Ozena, what is wrong with you? I mean, how could you? How could you descend so low? Telling us back in the market without lover. Is that how people who are in love behave?
Yes. That is how I behave when I'm in love. You and mother caused it. Cassie is innocent. She is a human being just like you and I. She's not responsible for her father's death. So why don't you let her be?
I am ashamed of you. I am completely ashamed of you. Of your exposure and education. You descend this low. No, you've lost it. Don't have it again.
Yes. It is that same exposure and education that makes me stand against that barbaric tradition. Yes. Father, Cassie is innocent. She deserves to be loved. By the way, who are the gods? Tell me, where are they? Do they really exist? Or if they do, why don't they stop the man for committing suicide? Why did they abort the action? Now I'll tell you this, mother. I will get married to Cassie. And if I don't, let me stop breathing.
Ozemena!
Sorry, Your Highness. We have brought her.
Keep an eye on her. I'm coming.
Okay, Your Highness.
I beg Nasima, I beg you. Because I don't know what I do you. I know what I do you. From the day when you see me, you know just like me. The market what they say, they don't cause Kataram. When I used to make they cause Kataram. Nah, I say make I beg you because my power kill himself, not me kill him. I don't know saying go hang himself. I don't know why you don't like me.
Now, young girl, listen. It's not because I am a father to all. If not because of this seat I am sitting on, I would have descended on you.
Father, what is all this? This has to stop!
Ozemena, stay away from this.
I won't!
I said stay away from this or I lay a curse on you.
Father, you have to stop this. You can't keep treating me out this way. If you want me to be rude to you, I will. And I will not hesitate to denounce you as my father.
Ozemena, you can do no such thing!
Ozemena! She's never giving up. Loyalty is calling.
You want to dare me?
Can't you see it's rain? Can't you see it's rain?
My daughter, you don't have to be worried. You see, because our people say that now only G.A.
Battle brothers. I didn't even know they were related in the first place. Hey. Oh, no, he's coming.
Nne, please, you have to be strong. It's not your fault. It is not your fault. You will make a choice now. As it stands now, it is you that will make your own choice.
Odogu! Odogu! Hey! Odogu! Ogo!
My in-law!
Dudu Yaya!
My in-law!
Odogu Nwa!
My in-law!
Odogu Nwa!
My in-law!
Odogu Nwa!
My in-law! 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 You know how to do it? You know how to do it, eh? It is called let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain.
That's my son. Afudimba, Afoglogunya.
Let it rain. Let it rain. Mama, are you confused? Are you still confused? Why you put him on like this? We ain't happy.
Don't mind that.
Yes.
Celebration mood, Mama, you should be happy.
Keep on spraying that. Please spray my daughter-in-law. People be asking one wine.
Okay, no. Let me deal with her first. Mama, let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Hold on. Don't worry. I have more for you.
Let me pick this one.
No, this one is for the land. Mama, let it rain. Let it rain. Do not say anything. Let money talk. Yes. Let money talk. Why do you listen?
She is my daughter-in-law. Nobody is taking her away from me.
Let money talk.
Yes. That is my daughter-in-law.
They call me slim, but right now I'm no longer slim. I know. Money has made me laugh. Too much money. Malaysian ringgit. Malaysian money. Malaysian burger.
You are my daughter.
Oh no, who?
My wife. What I do your father? No, what I do your papa? What?
Cassie, I may not be able to give you an answer to your question. But I want you to be rest assured that I care so much about you. And I will do everything to protect your interest. Please. I can never okay? Just let me say this straight.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. My daughter has done nothing wrong. Are we the ones that asked Adim, my husband, to kill himself? How?
Mama, please don't feel bad about it, okay? Don't feel bad. I'm here for you. I love Cassie.
What are you talking about?
I said, I'm in love with you.
Come begin the girls. Come begin the girls, I beg. This particular talk, I make your pardon swear, say, as usual they use for you. It don't cause me too many problems. And don't too rubbish me for this same talk matter. But no worry, I go show your passy, I know what I go do. We go pain up body.
My prince.
Mama, is there anything wrong in me professing my love for her?
No, you are not wrong. But try and understand. Your father is really... the way he's handling the whole thing is wrong.
I understand, Mama.
He's not favoring us.
I understand. See, I am ready to change this archaic tradition.
It's
I'm ready.
bad, oh. Prince, it is bad, oh. The way he's
Mama,
doing things is
Mama,
very bad.
Mama, please don't do this, okay? Please,
bad, oh.
please, stop it. Don't cry. Please, I'm here for you. I'm here for Cassie. Please. Please.
God is watching. Oh. Oh, a good one. To be a poor man is worse than death. It is to be a poor man is worse than death. It is bad. Onye ego, enwezi ọnụ, onwezi onye mmanya. Ay! Oh, why?
As it been now, so Igwe no say this pot there with me. So the pot, I go break am. And if I break am, Igwe go suffer. No. The suffer where Igwe go suffer, he get hunchback.
Aye! Cassie, because Cassie one biko. Give me, all of us will suffer it, oh. All of us are going to suffer it. Please, don't
give me the pot, Mama.
Cassie,
don't allow me talk too much.
Cassie, ma'am.
Before I go bring this pot come outside, Igwe must beg me. He go beg me or else I go break am.
Biko, no, ma'am. All of us will suffer it. All of us are going to die, oh. And do not let anyone know that this pot is in your possession. We are going to return it back to the palace before they start looking for it.
You tie my hand. Close my eye. I tell you I won't break pot. See your car and go give him. This pot before I bring and come outside, Igwe go beg me. He go beg me where?